right here is gonna be. Because what if they go up there and they hang from the?
Don't let those fly anywhere. Like, you just need to, one at a time, super gentle.
I want to get big.
You're gonna get bit.
He's
It doesn't hurt.
mad.
He's not. He's so scared. Which one is that?
The blue one.
That's yours.
That's Gage's. Hey, it's all yours. Dude. Oh, yeah. Yeah, beat your hand. Dude, I'm just gonna have to like.
Be careful. Don't hurt him.
You break?
You got him?
No, I'm trying to like.
Baby, you can't be scared of him. You just
I'm
gotta.
not being scared. I'm just trying to be gentle. I'm telling you. Hold on.
Gage, Bryson, you're gonna have to open it up a little bit so he can.
I need him. Bro. He's right here. I don't know where his head is. Gage, you need to get. Oh, great. Come here, bro. Why are you making this so hard?
You bite you?
Yeah, we're good.
Hey, bud.
Is it my turn now?
Your turn.
Hey, you're okay.
Hi, baby birdie.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, Broski.
Okay, open up the cage for Bryson, Gage.
Ah!
Hi, buddy.
This shoe's just making noise.
Bro, I know.
He's chilling down there.
What is up, dude?
Can you just...
Just get him by the wings.
No, do not get him by the wings.
No, I'm not talking about.
Bro, he's not cooperating. He's just...
Just grab him by the body gently. Gently. Push him into a corner and grab him by the body gently and put him in the cage.
You're not like...
He's literally in a very small box, y'all.
Ow!
Let me see. I'm gonna do it.
Oh my gosh, you sound like a pretty
You want to do it quickly, baby, so
You got him?
got him? Don't hurt his wings.
Let me get him. Let me get him, Bryson.
It's like
Don't hurt his wings.
Got him.
He's okay.
Okay.
Good job. There.
Yes, sir.
Hi, buddy.
Yes, sir.
He just-
Alright,
Just gripped onto my hand with his...
so what are their names?
I don't know yet. I don't know.
Okay. Hi, babies. You need to fatten up, little birds.
Hi, babies.
Do we like feed